Alright guys, we're going to try this little SYMA X27 out here for a little outdoor flight so I can get it sent off the mic. I just wanted to see how it would act outside here. So far not that damn good. Okay, it's mostly an indoor thing. Oh, it's drifting back to me big time. And there's not that much wind, believe it or not. But there's enough to take it all over the place, I can tell you that. Look how much trimming I'm having to do on this thing. Anyway, yeah, it's not your real good outdoor quad, but I mean, it is flying. Like I told you before, you can't trim out the wind. Yeah, there's just enough breeze out here to make it hard for this thing to go, you know. I mean, it's zipping around good now, you know, now that I got the trim all worked out. And but right first there, it was a little shaky. Yeah, the wind's blowing right in my face, so that's why it was pushing back toward me right off the bat. So, but you can't trim all the wind out, but because it changes speed all the time, so you can't. But it's very nimble and it's pretty quick actually for only having 2 rates. So yeah, it's doing a decent job. It's just not a. It's an indoor type thing, you know what I mean? But I want to get this outdoor part of this thing done so I can get this thing sent out to Mike so he can play around. He'll have something to do while he's locked up. Locked in the house with the rest of us. I don't know in Indiana where he's at. I don't know how bad it is there, but here it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. But there's nothing open. You know, I mean, I don't know one soul that has the coronavirus. Of all the people I know and of the business I'm in, you know, 500 people live in my apartment building, and we thought that one person had it, but they didn't. It was a, you know, a scare type deal. So nobody actually had it in the apartment building. But yeah, so yeah, this thing's flying great, but that wind, a gust came right there and kind of, as it's coming back toward me, it picks up a lot of, there it goes like that. You see that? Picks up a lot of speed when it starts coming back to me because, oh shoot, there's gonna crash right into the car. But as it's coming back toward me, it picks up a lot of speed because it's got the tailwind pushing it in the back, you know. So actually it didn't crash. It won't even stop. There it goes. Oh, I turned it. so it made it stop. But yeah, that's what happened with that. There's a flip. It's still got enough battery in there to do a flip, so at least I got one flip in. We'll get a couple in. Yeah, the battery's crapping, guys. But anyway, like I was saying, I mean, there's 500 people live in my apartment building. And all the people I know, I don't know one person that got this coronavirus. Not one. Nobody in my family, nobody in the apartment building, nobody in the apartment building's family. So it's, I don't know, man. I think this is, I'm really skeptical of this whole thing. I think there's some ulterior motives going on here, which I won't mention at the time, at this moment, but there's something else going on. Follow the money. That's like I always say about everything. Follow the money. Yeah, this thing flies great, man. You're gonna love this mic. You're gonna love this thing, man. Believe me. You're gonna love the hell out of this thing. I mean, look how long this thing's been flying out here, fighting this wind and all that too. Oh, there went the end of the flips because the lights started flashing, the low battery started flashing. So anyway, I'll put the flight time in. I'm going to bring it down because I don't want to ruin this for Mike. So there you go. SYMA X27. Wow. It's a classic. It's a beauty. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.